Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, mag beach tayo. I'm gonna show you the Italian beach. Yan, today is Sunday, very nice weather. Time check 8 AM, mainit na siya guys. Yan, so welcome to my channel everybody, and thank you very much for being here again. And if you're new here, welcome ng bonggang-bongga, and thank you very much for joining here. And please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification to be updated. Thank you. So later itour ko kayo dito sa beach, sa Zanzibar Beach. No, this is not Zanzibar. Nandito tayo sa near Venice Beach. Beach na Venice ako, no? And of course, before anything else, breakfast time.
My soul to scream out.
There's my boys. Hello. My camera shy. Hi, hi, hi. Babo, hi.
Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I want.
Ayan guys, so done ang aming breakfast. Ayan, hindi pa nga nag-start ang day. Maitim na po ako. Ayan, so this is our place, very cool. Ayan, parang nasa Zanzibar lang. Kabalo, sintirlo, simbra, de ser impulya. Simbra que lo pas guale. Ayan, so nag-breakfast kami guys, as usual, cappuccino and croissant. Yes.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you.
So yes guys, done na kami naglagay ng cream sa aming body, sa aming mahiwagang body. Yan, so now tayo, mag-walking tayo along the beach kasi maaga pa guys, fresh pa ang air. Yan, so kasi siya guys, mahaba ang beach dito, kaya nice siyang mag-walking.
We could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly.
So yes, gentlemen, enjoy the tibak. Ang daming nagtitibak dito guys. Kaya this is your day. Enjoy! Ayan, so tapos ang dagat guys, wag nyo lang masyadong pansinin kasi hindi masyadong clear ang water. Hindi katulad sa atin, sa Pinas, of course. One of the best talaga ang beach sa atin, di ba? So, ayan. Daming tao guys pag Sunday, daming tao. Or weekend. Maraming tao talaga dito. Manon niya mapidi? Okay. Ayan. So as you can see guys, dito, ang beach dito is maraming tao talaga guys. As in. Kasi parang itong beach na to ay parang pang weekend lang. Malapit dito, mga tao na malapit dito. So dito nagbi-beach. So as in maraming tao talaga. Unlike sa Pinas or na walang masyadong tao. So yes. My bodyguard. Dito kami nag-walking sa guys, sa tubig talaga, hindi doon sa sa sand doon. Kasi maraming tao doon. So dito is medyo distante siya sa mga tao. Kaya dito kami dumaan. Walang masyadong tao. Bye. So ayan, dumating na tayo sa ating destination guys. So ayan guys, over there guys, nandun ang Venice. Ayan. This Venice over there. Yan, nandito tayo sa near Venice Beach. Oh. Quello che dovevamo comprare così? Quello in Sardegna, ti ricordi?
Prima di morire bisogna che noleggiamo una barca.
So yes, mag-fruits muna tayo guys. Mag-fruits break. Ayan, ito ang aming So guys, time to chill. Mag-chill muna tayo guys after how many 1 hour walking, and tapos nag-swimming kami. So now time for chill. Yan, time for the book and for the fries. Ayan, naubos na ang niya. Simon, finito. La dietro. Carta.
Sì, carta.
Là dentro il sacchettino? Metti anche quello dentro.
Qua?
Sì, c'è un Scotex là.
No, magari no.
Questo lo metto di qua dentro.
Dai, butta via direttamente là, dai.
I cesti dei monditi.
So, ayan. Pauwi na kami guys. Dahil ang aming beach day. Yes, na-relax talaga kami guys. Nakatulog talaga kami din. Nag-swimming. Yes, so ayan. Tapos na ang ating daytime check. It's almost 3 p.m. Yes, umuwi kami ng maaga guys. Kasi ito ang ano namin guys. Ito ang style namin pag nag-beach kami. Kasi maraming tao talaga dito. Especially